Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Pro Switch controller. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great controller to have to play with your Switch. You can even play this on your cellular phone and even on your PCs. And let me show you how well that this controller works and all the features that it has. So you can see the controller is as a shape as a cute puppy. Nice colors. The buttons work very well. So here's your thumbsticks. It has a paw print stamp right there. The cute button nose, that's where your home button is. Then it has your turbo button, your minus, your plus, the lights when you know that it's connected, your letters, even the ears acts like thumbsticks, and even on the back here it has the paw prints. This charges with a USB-C charger, and it even has the memory buttons right here on the back. Battery life on this lasts a decent amount of time. So you can see when you're ready to pair it to your Switch, you just hold down the button, and once it turns on, I already have this set up to my Switch, so it found it right away. See, so it's player number 2, and sets it up on 2. If it was a new pair, you would just hold down this button, the home button, and then long press it for a few minutes until the lights go fast, and then it would have found it. So let me show you the gameplay. So you can see the gameplay. So the buttons are very responsive. And the haptic feedback is very strong. So it's very fun to play with. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Pro Switch controller. I like how well that it feels in the hand. I like the cute design to this. Also like the details of the paw prints that it has on your thumbstick, and even the drawing of the nose, the ears, and even the paw prints right here. I like the battery life on this. It works very well and is very responsive to the games. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.